Hey, seeing a not secure warning on your Carrd website or your SSL just isn't working? Don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix Carrd SSL issues step by step. Start by opening your Carrd site settings and make sure HTTPS or SSL is enabled. SSL only works if your domain is properly connected. Double check your domain settings and make sure it's linked correctly. Go to your domain provider and confirm your DNS records are correct. Your CNAME should point to carrd.co. If you have extra A records or incorrect entries, remove them. Conflicts can prevent SSL from activating. After fixing DNS, SSL doesn't activate instantly. It can take a few minutes up to 24 hours. Make sure your site automatically redirects to HTTPS. This ensures visitors always see the secure version. Your browser may still show the old version. Clear your cache or use incognito mode. If your site loads but still shows not secure, you might have mixed content like HTTP images or scripts. Replace them with HTTPS links. Go back to Carrd and click Publish again to apply SSL changes. If SSL still isn't working, contact Carrd support or your domain provider. Share your domain and DNS settings for help.